To set up a meeting on Zoom where participants are muted on entry for Android, you will need to be the person who created the meeting or receive access as co-host. So let's see how we can make participants muted on entry. After the meeting has started, just tap on the phone screen. On the bottom, a menu bar will appear. Tap on the three dots from the bottom right. On this menu, tap Meeting Settings. On Settings page, search for option Mute on Entry. Switch on the option. Now, everybody who will enter into the meeting will be muted on entry. Also, if you wish people not to be able to unmute themselves and you to allow who to talk, just tap on the Participants button. You will find this option on the More button. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.